What do you have for breakfast? Cereal, eggs, or bread? For my breakfast, I have sandwiches. Today we're gonna show you how to make a sandwich for breakfast. Let's do it.
Okay, about the ingredients, what do we need, Zoe?
About the Greenish bread,
Okay.
sausage and tomato, ketchup and cucumber, ketchup and mayonnaise, fish and cool vegetable. Add baked tomato and cucumber too. And sausages.
Also, ketchup and mayonnaise.
Put bread in the jar. This is ready. So yummy!
That's how we make simple sausage sandwich. If you like our video, please drop a heart and follow us for more cool videos. See you again. Goodbye.